Hey guys, and welcome to XTB Trading tutorial. So if you're new and want a clear guide on how to use the service and trade, let us begin. So the very first thing that you should do is of course create the account. In here, we already made a tutorial on how to create an account. You can view it on our channel. After that, guys, you just need to confirm all of the necessary stuff in there. Okay, and after registering and logging in, you can access the XStation 5. This is the platform of XTB that allows you to trade and do other things. It's available for desktop, web and mobile. I'm just using it in a browser. So when you first open it, you'll see a clean dashboard with charts, a market watch list and trading tools. So this is our charts. So on the left side, you'll find the market watch where you can search assets like forex pairs, stocks, indices or crypto. In the center, we have a chart window. You can add indicators, draw trend lines and switch between time frames. And at the bottom you'll see the terminal panel, which tracks open positions, balances and history. And guys, to start trading, it's pretty simple. You just choose an asset that you wish to trade. Let's say, for example, Apple. And now you can see you can either buy or sell. It will depend on your strategy. And your position will appear in the bottom panel where you can monitor or close it anytime. XTB also provides features like economic calendars, market sentiment tools, and education resources within XStation 5. So if you want education, there you go. You can read some of the tutorials and guides on how to trade more efficiently, and always use stop loss orders and never risk more than you can afford to lose. So for example, if you want to perform a stop loss, this is our button. As you can see, now you turn it on and choose your SL and TP values. So these are pretty much the basics of using this service, guys. You're now ready to start exploring, practicing and learning as you go. Also, my friends, don't forget, if you want to start quickly with discounts and special offers, we have a really cool affiliate link for you guys available in the video description below. Thank you for watching, guys.